Let's talk about different options on how to mark up your Instax prints. Most people are familiar with the Instax Mini prints, and on the bottom of each print is this white border. And usually people write their notes on this white border like I did right here. So here I put the date, which camera I used, and kind of like a special note. So this was the first picture I've ever taken with the Instax Mini 11. So this is the standard on how people mark up their pictures. I'll show you several other different options to kind of get a little more creative about what you can do with the Instax prints. Another option is to write directly on the picture area. So this was a messed up picture. I was accidentally covering the sensors on the Instax Mini, so this picture is completely overblown. You can see some remnants of buildings here, but you can write anything you want in any of the light areas. If your picture is dark, you can use the metallic markers. I'll show you how to do that. Here I have a messed up print the other way. So the print is completely black, but it's great for this type of demonstration. This picture was taken for a video where I was showing that you can't take pictures with the Instax Mini camera in the dark because the flash can't reach faraway buildings. So let's write in the picture area. I'll use the gold marker. The gold shows up really nicely on the black surfaces. And then you can use the silver one. Sometimes the silver one doesn't show up as nicely, so I retrace the lines one more time to give it a little bit more depth. Then let me also show you the bronze marker. You can see here that the metallic markers show up really nicely on the black surfaces. So if you have any dark picture, you can write notes in the metallic marker. So back to the original example, here I could write something underneath of me like Mate here or something like that. If your picture is nice and light like this one, then you can just use the standard permanent markers like the black ones or any of the color ones, and that will show up quite nicely. If you want to leave the front of your picture completely unmarked, you have some options also on the back. The back is black or dark gray, but I'll show you a couple different options on how I use the back to write some notes. If I want to preserve the front of the picture, sometimes I write technical notes in this gray area. So for that, you need some dark markers. So here's a black one. And here I can write like which camera I used or what date. So I can write, for example, Mini 11, and then I can write test. I can have a few critical details on the back of the picture. So a lot of times I write which camera I used or the date on when the picture was taken. Another option is to use the metallic markers and to write on this vast black area on the back of the picture. So let me show you some examples on how the metallic markers look on the back. So here I have the Faber-Castell metallics markers. So this is the Ice Blue. So this was the blue one. Here is the Berry Nice. We also have Wanderlust. It's kind of a greenish one. And then here's the silver one. And the last one is the gold one. You can see here that the metallic markers show up really nicely. And it's definitely a viable option on how to write notes on the back of your picture. So a great example, if you're taking pictures of people, you can take a picture on the street with your Instax camera, then you can carry these metallic markers with you, and you can write some nice notes for them on the back. Thanks for watching. See you next time.